Hello, I wanted to do a video about the results of the hair transplant I had at Hairneva's clinic in Istanbul in Turkey a bit more than 1 year ago, and I wanted to show you the result after 13 months, and the results are just incredible. So I'm making this video just to let you know that if you want the same results, you can fill the form which is in the description of this video and on my website benheine.com/hairneva. So this is DrGo's clinic, who is an expert in hair transplant. In my case, they use the DHI technique, so they just took some hair from the sides and the back and put them at the top of my head. I had 6,000 grafts, and I'm very happy with the results. So I'm making this video just so that maybe you can share it to a friend, a male friend who is bald also, because I was completely bald. I didn't have a single hair here. You can view all the photos and videos of the surgery and the evolution day by day, weeks by weeks, month by month on my website. So I really invite you to have a look, and I really invite you, if you are in need of hair, if you're bald, or if you know a friend who is bald, just to fill the form in the description of this video so that you can contact Hairneva and they can get in touch with you. And only with the link in the description of this video and on the link on my website, you can have a discount up to 150 euros. Of course, the prices at Hairneva clinic are much more affordable than the prices in European or US clinics, which are crazy. And in Turkey, they are really specialized in that kind of surgeries and hair transplant. Look at the amazing results, really. This is just completely wild and amazing. I didn't have a single hair here. Can you imagine? This is really good. So just really contact Hairneva, contact DrGo and his partners who are making the surgeries. You will not be disappointed. So fill the form, follow the link in the description. This will lead you directly to a representative from Hairneva who will contact you, request some photos of your head, and give you more information on your surgery at Hairneva's DrGo's clinic. Also, you have to know that the clinic is inside Marriott's hotel in Istanbul in Turkey, so a very nice place, and you would spend a nice moment. They are really professional. I was very impressed, and I completely recommend their services. So I might do another video in a couple of months just to show how it is evolving, but I think now it won't change anymore, and the hair are really staying. There is no issue with this. They are really like fixed. They are really I mean, I don't need to put any product or to do anything, treatment. This is just really cool. So if you have questions, you can ask me, and you can also contact Hairneva, okay, and mention my name to have the discount. Bye bye.